All right, everyone, here's the 1964 BMW R60/2, and we're going to go through the cold start sequence. This is the key. The key gets inserted here. Currently has 124 miles. The bike is absolutely cold, hasn't ridden for a few days. We have a petcock here. We are going to turn that downwards towards the on position. Walk around to the other side. Do the same with the other petcock. And one thing you want to do is you want to tickle the carburetors, get some fluid going, get some feel in there. So you want to pump it a few times. There's no real hard number on how many times you have to pump it. It's just sort of, every bike is a little bit different, but you do want to get the carbs filled. I usually like to give it a couple kicks before turning on the battery, just get everything going. We're going to turn the key down. You can see the battery is on. I'll give it some gas. Let's see how well we can do this with one hand.